How often do we get to encounter someone who is so many things at the same time? Sushant was, as he had quoted once for the meaning of his name, anything and everything at the same time.
He was an astrophysics and astronomy enthusiast owning one of the most expensive telescopes in the world. He wished to see Saturn's rings through it. Sushant, are Saturn's rings clearer and brighter to you now?
Such was his inquisitiveness in physics and mechanics that he even owned a Boeing 737 fixed-base flight simulator that is usually used for training pilots. Incredible match.
That he was a celebrated virtuoso actor is undeniable. The subtle nuances he improvised in his scenes, the effortless screen comfort, along with the almost contagious smile set him apart.
Not to mention his perfect dance moves, which can make all of us go weak on our knees. Boy, he actually was someone whose left and right cerebral hemispheres were equally skilled.
His uncanny ability to look at situations from an abstract angle and relate the greater forces of the universe with everyday life was fascinating. One can only be awestruck at all his varied and interesting musings and take on life. He sure was differently abled.
His involvement and attachments with his projects were such that he even said once in an interview that the most difficult part of film shoots was the last day, because after that he won't get to portray that character any longer. His interests lay practically everywhere. He was too keen, too eager, and too full of life.
From being ambidextrous, playing tennis with both hands, and having the skill in almost any sport, to being a voracious reader, playing the guitar like a pro, visiting old age homes and suffusing the inhabitants with warmth, to conversing fluently about physics with a Cambridge scholar and clearing wastes from river banks while rafting, surely define what a multifaceted personality he was.
He had a magnanimous heart. He wanted to do something productive and efficient for the education in India and to provide for the poor. His frequent humble interactions with his fans made him one of us and reinforced the fact that he truly was a people's person.
He had a heart of gold. His soul was enormous. He went out of his way to buy a land on the moon. Sushant, are you finally settled in your happy place now?
Now that your energy is dissipated throughout the entire space, I hope we can find warmth in your shadow. I know you will be the brightest star for all your well-wishers, guiding them and illuminating their world.
It's a pity we couldn't get more of you. You were a storehouse of knowledge and talents, adept at so many things at a time. Hope we can do justice to you and your legacy.
विश तुम साथ रहते, इतनी जल्दी जाने की बात ना करते.
Wish you had walked 4 और कदम with us.
मेरा नाम और पता रस्मों को रख के परे